it personal, I ain't lying.
Friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So fall is right around the corner, and I'm so excited because it's my favorite time of the year. So I went to Dollartree and I picked up some items to make a floral arrangement for my coffee table because I want to add a pop of color. Items I picked up from Dollar Tree was a vase, florals, and foam. I already had the rocks, but the rocks are sold at Dollar Tree. Now that I have everything that I need, I'm ready to make my floral arrangement. So the first thing I did was cut the foam down to size so that it could fit inside of the vase. And as you can see, it's fitting perfectly. So the next thing I did was spray paint the foam black. I already had the spray paint. Next thing I'm going to do is put the foam inside of the vase. Next, I'm going to add the rocks around the foam and in the vase. The purpose of the rocks is to add weight to the vase and to cover the foam.
But will it make sense without the pain?
So now I'm ready to start adding the florals to the vase.
Tickle me pink, who knew that at the brink of the end, life could be.
Now I'm going to just pluck out the leaves, and I like how this came out so far. Still need to add some more rocks because the foam is not covered completely. So that's what I'm doing. I'm adding more rocks to cover the foam.
Treasure buried deeper with each loss.
Really like how this came out. This is a very budget-friendly DIY that you can do to make a floral arrangement for any season of the year. This only cost me $10. And I really like how it came out. Now I'm just showing you guys right now just a little, giving you an idea, but this is not how it's going to be styled because this is going to go on my coffee table. But I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you got inspired, and if you did, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think about this. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. Bye y'all.